Hi guys, how are you beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite Nigerian boy NSL Sunday Black guys, and you're welcome to a brand new video. And actually guys, this video is about the Akobo Flyover Bridge. I actually want to show you what the bridge looks like after the bridge has been laid. And yes guys, some few months I was here, I shared with you the video of this place, but the pillars were there alone. Only the pillars were there, the bridge wasn't there. But right now the bridge has been fixed, and also the works from the dualization of the Akobo to Bashorun lane, the work is still going on as well. So actually this bridge is needed in order to complete the dualization of that Akobo to Bashorun road, guys. So this is what we're about to see in these videos. We check the bridge, what it really looks like, the current construction of this bridge from the under the bridge, and I also went to the top as well so we can get a better view of this place, guys. So to you, all my subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are so amazing for sticking with this channel. Oh guys, you guys are so lovely, guys. And also, if you're new to this channel, if this is your first time here, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, be part of the NSL family, guys. And guys, so I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. I hope you're gonna enjoy watching this video, and make sure you share with your friends as well. Actually guys, this bridge is a 65 meters flyover bridge in Ibadan, Nigeria, and actually this project was flagged up by the governor of the state, or your state government, Governor Sheyi Makinde, by March 2021, and this is what it currently looks like as of February 2022, guys. So this is what the bridge looks like, guys. So let me really know your thoughts. Do you think I think Ibadan, Nigeria is really changing, and it's really developing? So guys, so yeah, make sure you hit the like button. If you are new here, if this is your first time on this channel, be sure you're welcome to the family by hitting on that red subscribe button, guys. So your favorite African boy, Deep Black, NSL, guys. So this is the kind of content to make. Make sure you hit the like button, share with your friends, family, let them know Nigeria, but everywhere is changing, guys. So we are developing really fast, and more videos like this actually coming up, guys. So make sure you support this channel. Hello guys, so guys, currently as you can see here, there is not much, the sand has not been filled up yet to the level of the bridge there, you see, because the other side right there, the sand has been filled up to the level of the new bridge construction, so here the sand is not yet to be fixed, to be filled up to the level of the bridge, because this is now a dual carriage lane. They have to create a new road for this bridge, so because this road construction is currently a dual lane. So when it gets to this bridge, they have to make a new bridge again, because the road has been changed to dual carriage way, guys. So from Akobo to Bashorun, so like this is like the Akobo bridge right here, and this is what the construction looks like, guys. Look at this. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Let me know your thoughts of this level of the work done. Yeah, guys, a lot of construction works going on in the city of Ibadan, Nigeria, guys. And I'm here to show you more of this place, guys. So I just need your support. So make sure you give this video a like, guys. Make sure you like this video. Also, share my channel with your friends. Let them know Ibadan, Nigeria. More construction like this is happening here, guys. So, and actually, I'm going to the top of the bridge of the road. I'll pass through the old lane. So we'll see the current construction. We'll see what it really looks like, from on top of the bridge. We have a better view of that. So I'm going to the on top right now, guys. So make sure you smash that like button right now.